So I made the jump from printing a single object to printing a group of objects. It's been printing for a while. Looks good though. Looks good to me for a beginner novice. Been going almost 2.5 hours. Should be done shortly. But yeah, we got a group of them, a whole family. All done. So this will be my camera mount. I'll mount that to the bed, and then we can get a little bit better shots of objects being made. At least that's what I hope. Let's get it peeled and fitted. Oh, did it hit the camera? I think it hit the camera. I might have to work something out. That might be too far in. I have to lean it back out.